Alright, let's take a quick trip into the future. Real estate and AI by 2030. Sounds like science fiction, right? But trust me, this is happening way faster than most of us realize. Imagine searching for your next home, and instead of scrolling endless listings, you just describe your dream place. And it's not just about finding homes. AI will predict neighborhoods on the rise spot market trends before anyone else, and even help you negotiate the best price. By 2030, I see AI-powered virtual tours becoming the norm. You'll walk through properties with augmented reality, tweaking layouts, colors, even sunlight, right from your couch. Need a mortgage? AI will analyze your finances and match you with the perfect lender in seconds. No more paperwork mountains. But here's the wild part. AI won't just help buyers and sellers. It'll transform how cities are built. Developers will use AI to design smarter, greener buildings, optimizing for energy comfort, even happiness. Imagine neighborhoods where traffic pollution and noise are minimized, all thanks to AI-driven planning. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the human touch? Honestly, I don't see agents disappearing. Instead, they'll become supercharged advisors, using AI insights to guide you better than ever. The relationship stays, but the guesswork? Gone. So, what's the bottom line? Real estate by 2030 will be smarter, faster, and way more personal. AI's not just changing how we buy and sell, it's reshaping where and how we live. If you're curious about the future, now's the time to pay attention. Because with AI, the next decade in real estate isn't just about property, it's about possibility. Thanks for joining me on this quick future tour. Don't forget to dream big. The best is yet to come.